So we now build quarterly market insights documents for digital technology change and transformation, financial services and business services that's distributed across our business out to our customers. I think interestingly, kind of the summer last year, we were talking about the effect of levelling up in the tech sector before the end of year reports came out, which showed how the demand had dropped in London at a far greater rate than it had regionally. And that was through your longitudinal graphs. That being sat last summer with a fairly flat market and not wanting to send out anything too positive, we had a good tinker and we were able to play around to go, well, that's what the national shape looks like. How does it compare across different regions? And so we could see quite clearly in your longitudinal data that levelling up was starting to take a real impact, which I think has now been validated. A lot of the other analysts have produced their year-end ones, which has showed the decline of new vacancies, and the decline of new vacancies in London last year was far greater than across other cities, particularly Manchester, Leeds, from that side of things. So, and that's just allowing us to have more intelligent conversation with our customers. The nature of our RPO and MSP relationships are that when we sit down with them once a quarter for a quarterly review, actually the last thing they really want to do is review anymore, that they have access to real-time data through our systems. They know how many people we're hiring. They know whether we're hitting service levels and key performance indicators. And so actually they want to talk about what next, what opportunities are out in the market, what risks are out in the market, what trends are out in the market, and use of Horsefly alongside a few other tools that we use. And we can combine them in a nice complementary manner. Allows us to really kind of sit and consult. I suppose everybody in recruitment's called a consultant from day one, which is kind of one of the anomalies of the industry. I think what we find that when you can sit with a hiring manager and you can show them where and how and what the diversity looks like and what the cost looks like and who else is there, or the impact that one of their particular requirements has on the size of the talent pool, it's instant and it's powerful. It kind of moves away from maybe just a recruiter wanting to make their life easier and actually kind of working together with a client to hopefully solve some problems.